Hello, this is Ramarao. Today I'm presenting the Human Factors in AI course project. As first part of this project, we are implementing a ML based autonomous vehicle that will transport people or goods and will not require a driver at the wheel. As required by the project, I'll be covering the following elements: task analysis, user experience design, privacy considerations, and ethical considerations. For task analysis, there are two subtasks. We want to make sure that the vehicle will follow traffic rules and the vehicle will have the ability to avoid collisions. For this, what we have done is we have had the vehicle driven manually by a driver, and we observed the actions taken by the driver to follow the two subtasks. First, in terms of following the traffic rules regarding lights, lane changes, and road signs, and then second, from a collision avoidance perspective, we have simulated scenarios where there could be a vehicle, pedestrian, animals, or a combination involved in the collision. And we observed the four aspects of the driver's behavior, which is the light indicator changes, steering wheel changes, accelerator, and brake. For the user experience design, we have followed the Don Normal six principles of visibility, feedback, constraints, mapping, consistency, and affordance. We will provide visibility to daily near misses in collisions and traffic rule violations. We'll confirm back to the users if new scenarios are introduced or hyperparameters are changed. Users will be able to control only two key aspects: introducing new training scenarios or changing hyperparameters. Will clearly indicate the actions that will be taken when these controls are chosen. We will make sure that there is a consistent look and feel across different screens, and will properly define the actions performed by different buttons. From a user experience considerations, the key aspects are user inputs, transparency, and expected uncertainty. The users will be able to monitor and provide inputs on a daily basis on key aspects such as speed control, lane changes, etc. Um, we will provide visibility to the users for on what algorithms were used, what are the hyperparameters, how the data for the training is used, etc. And then we'll provide expected probability that the vehicle will be under speed limits, will perform proper lane changes, and the probability of following traffic lights. We believe the following are privacy concerns for this project. From a data collected perspective, privacy of the data or the passengers or consumers, the name, address, and phone numbers, photos of pedestrians that are captured by the self-driving vehicle, and the location data of the passengers in the rideshare vehicles. There are no data privacy laws yet for autonomous vehicles, but this project will voluntarily enforce the following. We will anonymize passenger data, collect only the required data, and retain the data only for the duration that is needed for the project. From ethical considerations, we want to make sure that there isn't a bias against any particular group. The groups in this particular case, in terms of collision, are pedestrians, young versus old pedestrians, and animals. And the accountability for this resides with the ML team. The ML team will make sure that we disclose the trade-offs that were used to ensure that there isn't a bias in terms of collision against pedestrians or any particular age group or animals. Thank you.